I don't know what I'm doing. I just kind of wing it. Okay, so it's time. KTM's got to go back together, and this is the bit I'm a bit worried about. I've got to get the engine into the frame. Now, coming out, it was a pain, and obviously now I don't want to damage any of the work on here and knock it over or smash the engine into bits and chip off the frame, and I've just got to get it done. So wait and see. Right. Get that out of the way so it doesn't tag. In. Just in. Nice and easy. Nice and straightforward and nice and easy. Nice and don't have anything to grab. What's it fucking snagging on? In the way, hopefully it's just that in the way. It'll be nice, and it's just gonna slip in. It's just gonna come back. No, don't do that. You stay on there. Just gonna come back, line up. And slip in. Woo-hoo! Right. Now, everything else is just basically bolt back on. Gonna get the suspension in, front, back, swing arm, wheels, get it somewhat together. Just gonna time lapse that because it's basic, and then we'll get to the interesting bits. Right, so we're getting close now. We've got the front end on, we've got a wheel, engine's in, back end's on. Now because I haven't changed over that tyre yet, I'm going to put the supermoto wheel back in, going to put some bars on and call it a day, because it's dark o'clock on a Sunday, and then that's it, it'll be rolling around and fine. We'll get the kickstart on because it's orange and looks good. And is that just how it goes on? How do you pick the angle? Yes. And I've lost the bolt already. For fuck's sake. Hey. Does that go on there? Does that go on the inside? That must go on the inside. What have we got? Yes. Does that go on there? Go that way. I don't know what I'm doing. I just kind of wing it. I don't know the tune. I just kind of sing it. Nice. Well, can you see that? Yeah, you can. It looks like a bike, which is fantastic. So it's rolling. It'll be a little bit easier for me to sort of move it around the garage now. And now I can happily, after work, just come in and sort of fiddle with little bits. That's the main bit done, which is lovely jubbly. So I'll get it moving back in. There's a lot of things that have to move around in this workshop for me to be able to work. Sort of, here's one of them. And we'll barricade it back in, and then I think next we've got the electrics need sorting. I've still got to clean up the subframe with the subframe down there with all the airbox and stuff on it. Just give that a little bit of a well, apparently I like pressing buttons. We'll give that a little bit of a spruce up. The carb needs clean, although I don't want to do too much to that because it seems to be working at the minute and I don't like carbs. This dead tire's got to go because you'll see there's no knobs on there. We'll get that sorted and that's about it really. Go chuck it down some lanes. That just looks so good, the black and orange. I'm loving it. So it's yeah, back looking like a bike. We'll get it moving around. Now we can get the final hurdles, so to speak, and get them on. It's going to be a while till you actually see that on the video, except for when you're watching me talk about this now, because you're watching it now. But if you want to get the updates a little bit quicker and sort of see the little bits that go on in between editing, then be sure to go over to the Instagram page, Unrestricted Isle, or over on the Facebook/Unrestricted Isle. There's little updates and stuff that go on there, and it's a better place for me to sort of talk to you. I've just opened a Teespring shop as well if you want to get some merch and support the channel. I'm still refusing to have adverts go on. I don't want to do that. I hate going on YouTube and you have an advert blast in your face, or like 4 in a 10-minute video. I'm sick of it. So it's coming up to Christmas. If you want to support the channel and get something a bit, you know, Manx, bikey, check it out on there. I'll leave the link down there. That's teespring.com/stores/unrestricted-isle. A little bit more complicated, but that's that. Alright, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.